My people for house, how una dey? Dis na TMC television wey dey knack you better news. My name na Nigo Idakwo and I dey for the city of Benin as e dey hot. Based on the 10 days wey federal government don give people make they carry their money go bank, people don obey pack all the money wey dey their house go bank. But now the problem for ground be say they no even fit collect the money wey they carry go bank and they still never see the new currency wey government talk say by now e don circulate. We don waka go banks for Benin City, from First Bank to Globus Bank to Fidelity Bank. Na the same thing we dey hear. The people don dey queue since 6 a.m. Some people still dey queue. Some people even come queue since yesterday. Some people don dey till 10. Yet they still never see any money. Wetin dey happen? Make we follow people talk on top this matter.
The way the thing be, it don't pass level, it don't pass human being. But I don't dey wonder whether na human being they still take care of us, and because the thing don't pass level. Because is it that we cannot plan? What is really the problem? Is it that we don't know how to plan, or we don't know we just come to position without having any plan or focus? So I don't really know what is happening. I've gone inside. I've gone to the bunk room. I was here a week ago. I came 3 times, no money. So I only succeeded once. That is after the 4th time. Now this is the 7th time. I have not been able to get money. I thought I pack all the money from home, from my old mother and from all the children. With no money. I thought I would be able. Yesterday, I said if I come yesterday, they may have excuse. Today, I decided to come today, thinking that a right thinking. We know. I mean, we are human beings, for God's sake. What is happening? I think I am saying in my own mind that the media and the labor people have sold us to wicked people. They have sold us to wicked people because labor was supposed to fight for us at that time. They sold us out, and the media. It is not media is waking up. Can we still savage this country again? Can we still say, who will save us now? Who will save us? Things have gone beyond. I bet Mona think fast. The country is seeking. One thing I want to tell you people, because they don't think for our welfare. That's the problem of this country. Other countries don't have what we have. Because they have welfareism, they think for their people. That is why God is helping them. The problem with this country, God so loves this country, but we don't think for our people. We don't think. God is ready to help us, but we are wicked.
Now deceive us, collect our own cash.
Question when I want to ask the CBN, or rather the CBN governor, they not get children for house. At least make they pity us with the poor masses, make they pity us. Money just their account, you not fit collect, not be for fuel, not be for light, not be for food. They not get conscience. Do they bury their placenta with no conscience? Let them pity the masses, make they pity us. We dey beg, make they pity us, make they give us money. Can you imagine the queue when it dey? Make they pity us, make they pity us. This one pass us so. No money, no fuel, nothing.
Don't deceive us. Collect our old money. We not see new money. Since around 6 o'clock a day, I never been withdraw with my cards. We not deceive us.
I did here since around 7 o'clock. See now, never fit withdraw. And I don't pay all my hold their money when I take they do business. So as I just there now, I just dey stand there now. No money to take it. Even transport self, now just problem now.
Wetin they say we don't know where they go, because this way they happen, so we dey surprise whether the government is using us to trade or whether the bank manager is trading with us. So we don't know, because when you get to POS, you see money in POS, and when you get to inside the bank, maybe you want to give them money to press them money, they will see money to give to you. But once you don't want to press them money, they will tell you that there's no money. You come to POS, no money. Today I even go there to go and fight them. I ask them to call me police because it's my money I want to withdraw, not their money. That is when they start rushing on this POS now that they want to repair it. They have been saying that there's no money since. Yesterday as we go to petroleum subsidy. Before we know, they started bringing it down. You see that they know what they are doing. Sir, they are killing Nigerians. They are not repairing us. That's what we are seeing. Please, they should know and address them, because like me, there's a time that I will spend here now. First bank will arrest me, which I will take them to court for assault, because I'm going to fight them, and I don't mind not to destroy this bank.
This country wey we dey so na only God na fit come help us, because the way we dey so they don collect all our money. Whether e time to come dey give us anti-christ number who no get 666 na come fit dey collect money, we no know. Since morning how we dey here, money wey we use our hand carry give them, we no fit take am. Zenith bank na 1,000 dey give person, and 1,000 no carry us from here dey reach our house.
As you can see, we are at the front of the ATM. Whether the ATM they pay now or you know they pay, if you ask me now, me I don't know. But from the look of things, it be like say that one they pay, but this very one not they pay. You understand? But I assume say as a country where we assume we have leaders, and we have leaders that are learned, you know, there are things that should be done, you know, in an organized setting. But the way it is here in Nigeria, I feel say our leaders they not get plan for their citizens. You understand? On a normal reason or on a normal circumstances, people not supposed to come they stand on queue like this, they fight for their own money. Now let's assume say somebody they travel and you run out of cash. You needed money to bail yourself out. You not get your ATM card, I mean your card. Your ATM not they pay. Now go to POS. 500, 5,000 naira, they collect 500. What do you expect the person to do? You understand? The government of the day here in Nigeria, they don't have plan for their citizens. And if I assume, if anybody they vex as the country they go now, I think they have the right to be angry. That is the truth. The first thing first is the citizen, the masses. Any leader that doesn't have the interest of the people at heart is not a good leader. Because without them, you can never be a leader. You understand? So I will advise the leadership of this nation, Nigeria, that they should have the interest of the people at heart. Especially the presidency. And maybe CBN, as they said, they have given the money to the bank, they distributed the money to the bank. Maybe the bank too, they don't give the money to the politicians. Maybe the politicians call them to come distribute the money to them for house or something. Because they cannot give Nigerian any excuse at this point in time that the new currency has not been distributed. Now, if you go to the bank is not giving you money. You come to the ATM is not paying. What do they expect the people to do? I saw an old woman yesterday crying that she doesn't even have food to eat at home, and no old Naira note, no new Naira note. What do you expect that old woman to do? So please, the government of the day should please do the needful.
Matter full ground, we be say man, the government supposed to settle. This present government will not know where would they go from now, because if you see the cost of living all high, not be waiting Buhari tell us say he go give us when we vote in. He tell us say from fuel na 60 naira, he go carry go 45 naira. Today I don't buy fuel for 900 naira. I would a queue for 1,000 naira, no see am. To go bank now, we go collect money to survive, we not the fit. They say money not the bank. Now they mean they come for so money not the bank. So that we go to chop grass, we don't know. You carry ATM, carry a transfer, give market woman say don't know what they call transfer. Say we get new money not there. Old money now safe to get her. We not see her. So we don't know where would they go for this country.
Now wow, this country leadership where they this country too bad. It's too bad. We need change for this country. Fuel matter, you with your money, you know if you get fuel. Some filling station they sell fuel 1,000 naira per liter. And God don't bless us for this country. We get fuel, but we dey suffer ram. Please, government must do something. Government must do something. Even for the new currency, where they talk, say they don't change. Money no day. You go ATM not go pay you. You and your money, you no go see money. You and your money, you go bank, they go tell you say money no day. Abeg, the masses dey suffer too much. We need change for this country. Bad leadership na im dey kill this country. We need change for this country. Abeg.
The thing dey affect me well. Since morning wey I carry this my food come out, many people wan buy food, dem no see money take pay. Dem go come madam, I go see where collect money for POS. You reach where POS dey, dem no see money give dem. Na so we just dey since morning. I don dey lose many customers. The thing really dey affect me well. Since morning wey I carry food come out, na money no dey. People wey go bank, dem say money no dey. Dem go POS, dem say money no dey. So abeg make una tell governor, make or the president, make fast he go do all this kind matter now, because the thing really dey affect us well.
Of a truth, it's not easy. It's not as if we are enjoying it, but what do we do? Kind of situation like this just God's intervention, and I was made to understand that the money is with commercial banks. That commercial banks release it to individual, those people selling the mint. And it's not as if maybe we go to where they are changing this money now you cannot actually get it, like what some people are saying when they are passing, that the new notes it's not as if it's not available, but it's in the area where they sell it out to people, as if they are using it to do business. Of a truth, if we cannot go around like that, it will affect the masses. The market cannot we cannot sell well, because some of them, if they want to buy, they cannot actually get that cash to buy, and those that we are buying from, we too cannot pay them. The whole place is tight. You go to bank, people complain. You go to POS that they are that are attached to the banks. According to them, they say we can be withdrawing money from POS. Now POS cannot even get money to pay people, and most of the POS stands, they are increasing their rate. You understand? There was one POS stand I want to collect 20,000. He said I will pay 1,000, which is not good. I don't really know where we are heading to. It's just God intervention.
Money matter don tie wrapper. We don waka from Globus, enter Fidelity, enter First Bank. Na the same story. We don't even waka enter shop. Ask people for road wetin they think about this money matter, but na the same story dey their mind. Everybody don pack their money go bank. Yeah, they no fit still see the money for bank. People don dey waka, dey look for this money as if e don turn gold. Wetin dey happen? My name na Naira, and this na TMC Television. No forget, your PVC na your power. No sell am give any politician on election day.